Good Saturday morning. Welcome back to Spectrum News 1, everybody, on this first day of March, and technically in the meteorological community, the first day of spring, which, yes, we kick off meteorological spring today, which runs March, April, and May. It's based on the annual temperature cycle across the planet, as opposed to astronomical spring, which is based on the position of the Earth to the sun. Astronomical spring, the traditional first day of spring, starts March 20th, just after 5:01 Eastern or 4:01 Central Time. So technically, you can wish your family and friends a happy first day of spring today, and you would not be wrong. Now, a look at extremes in Bowling Green for this time, for March, I should say. The warmest temperature we've seen is 92 degrees in 1929. It's been as cold as 6 below in 1960. Look at all the precip in 1997, over 15 inches. And look at that, 1960, over 18 inches of snow. On average, in March, we get about 1.5 inches of snow and about 4.5 inches of rainfall. So we'll have to see what this March has in store for us. Now, it will be a nice quiet day today, lots of sunshine, a breezy and cold day. So you'll still need that heavier jacket because wind chill values will be in the 30s for a good part of today. With some cloudiness by this afternoon, some high-level clouds rolling through, we should clear out tonight, allowing temperatures to really fall. And by the time we wake up on our Sunday morning, lower 20s, could be some upper teens in some of the more sheltered valleys across the tri-state. We really don't warm up much by the lunch hour on Sunday, still upper 30s and lower 40s. So overall today, a partly cloudy and breezy day with those clouds rolling through, especially late morning into the early afternoon hours. You see 45 there, but wind chill values will be a little bit cooler than that. Maybe 1 or 2 spots west of Kentucky Lake hit 50 degrees today, but that would be the exception. And then tonight, well below average by 10 or 15 degrees, depending on your exact location. Then our attention turns toward Tuesday with a pretty vigorous storm system moving through. We could have a line of severe thunderstorms moving through. That's why we're already highlighted for that risk by the Storm Prediction Center for Tuesday. So you're going to want to keep checking back with us for updates on that, for the potential for some of that severe weather. It all wraps up as a little bit of rain on Wednesday with windy conditions and turning colder yet again by late next week.
Thank you so much for